These are the steps of Saint Gorg Preca, Taraċ Saint Gorg Preca. The Saint Gorg Preca was born in Valletta in 1880, 12th February, the plaque says. So these steps have been named after him. I don't recall ever coming here on these steps actually. Here we have the Parliament, and the steps I think were made a bit after the new entrance to Valletta was built, if I'm not mistaken. It's the Parliament building. From here, one used to watch Carnival. It used to be held here in a square, but it's changed now completely. It's a very different scenario. If you need to get up here but you have a disability, you can use this lift. We're going to go back down now. It's still hot and the sun is fierce. It's too hot. Children screaming. Thanks for watching this video again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now from Malta Network Resources in Valletta. Bye, stay safe.